So, have you tried out the new iBot that you have here at Pocket Option? If not, you should. And in this video, not only that, I will try it out myself and I will show you how it works. And if you have a losing trade, I will show you how you can still make money. Okay? So if you like that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will get to it. But before that, well, as you're lazy, that means I guess you are, as you are looking at a video about IAS trading for you. Also check out the first link below the video. There you have Alpha 1 signals. I give signals for pocket option that you can just copy and you can make money just by copying what I'm doing. So should fit in your area. And you can start to make money because I have been trading for like 15 years for binary option. So I know what I'm doing and I build up accounts many times for many different type of brokers. Now Pocket Option is the only broker I work with because it's the most serious one where I have never had any problem to withdraw money. So only stick with Pocket Option. If you for some reason have account from before with Pocket Option, you should withdraw your money, close it down, reopen with new email, open with my link. First of all, you help me. Second of all, you help yourself because if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra. So you should do that. Okay, now let's get to it. Obviously, we are not going to trade this pair you see now, but let's choose one and let's see what we can do. So now let's see. Let's go here. We go here on this and we choose basically one of these better ones up here. Basically, I'm not going to do $1,000. Let's start with $100, and let's just push I. The I will trade. As you can see, we are deep in the money already, and just like that, in like 10 seconds, we made ourselves $92. I did not need to show you what to do for if you lose. Basically, what I would have done, just change this for like 250, push I again. And you can start lower, give yourself like 3-4 times, and if you should get a win by then because the win rate on the iBot is very high. So there you see how easy it is to trade with the iBot. You should try to. Remember also to check out if you want my signals and all these things, and if you want to have the advantage to get 50% extra on your first time deposit, well, close your account if you have all, and if you don't have, okay, nice, just use link below the video and you get that bonus from me, 50% extra on $100 or more deposit. So that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.